Tesla 3Y to change the right steering wheel. Preparation tool hex ruler H10. Point pliers 1 word cross screwdriver. Plum blossom ruler T6 T10. There are 2 airbag holes at the steering wheel at 6 o'clock. Note that the airbag hole for Y is below. Model 3 is on both sides. Use a 1-word screwdriver to check in. Both sides must be in place so the airbag pops out. After the airbag pops out, turn off the power first. Find security in the screen settings. Pull down. Power off. Put the 2 cables connecting the airbag. Pull out the sockets. So the airbag is completely removed. Pay attention to this step, it must be done. Otherwise, it will damage the inside of the car. Be sure to unplug the cable at this location. Be sure to confirm. Connect the 2 cables between the steering wheel and the car. Pull it out to proceed to the next step. With a special tool, a hexagon, unscrew the big screw in the middle. And here I'm doing it counterclockwise really hard. Turn it out again. So the steering wheel comes off. Now remove all the panels from the steering wheel of the original car. Unscrew all 5 screws inside. Take the whole panel out. Unplug the socket too. This way the whole panel is taken off. Remove the button harnesses from the panel. Remove all the socket screws. Remove the buttons on the top cover of the original car. Attach to carbon fiber cover. Screw on. Check the lower position to see if it fits. Install it on the frame we matched. Screw on. Explain here, Tesla Y, we will match a face frame. The face frame on the original car cannot be used back. No, it will fail to install at that time, or a large gap appears. Put 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 3 panels at 9 o'clock. Put it on our prepared frame. Screw on. The wiring harness is also installed. Screw on. So the whole panel is installed. Look at the lower edge to see if there is a gap. Install the entire panel on the rock steering wheel. Be sure to pay attention here. The wire of this heating wire, put it in this position. Plug in the socket. Please sort out the surrounding lines again. Press the entire panel and the position of the steering wheel card. All in place. So that between the entire panel and the steering wheel, there will be no gaps. Be sure to pay attention here. The heating wire is not long enough. Must be like us. Put it in this position. The location of the wiring must be like ours. Finally, tighten all 5 screws. In this way, after the entire panel and steering wheel are installed, there will be no gaps. There will be no gaps in each position. Now to load the rock steering wheel. Install directly against the mouth. Screw on the big screw in the middle. Tighten. Install the airbag now. Also turn off the power first. Connect the airbag to the socket on the steering wheel. Make sure they're all plugged in. The 2 sockets here must be plugged in. Check that the wiring is not blocked. Push hard. Check if the speaker is working properly. The right steering wheel is installed.